Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero to your Stripe account. This integration is incredibly useful as it allows you to streamline your payment processing and automatically sync transactions between both platforms, making your accounting workflow much more efficient. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This will take you to the Xero homepage where you can access your account. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Xero account using your email address and password. Make sure you have these credentials ready so you can move through this process smoothly. After logging in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. Now direct your attention to the top right part of your screen where you'll find a 9-dot icon. This icon is your gateway to additional features and integrations within Xero. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, select Open Xero App Store. This will redirect you to Xero's dedicated marketplace where you can discover and add various integrations to enhance your accounting system. Once you're in the App Store, you'll see all the apps that are readily available for you to integrate with Xero. Browse through the list if you'd like, but to save time, look for the search bar at the top of the page and type in Stripe. This will filter the results and show you apps related to Stripe. From the search results, you'll see an app named Stripe by Xero. This is the official integration you'll want to use. Click on it and you'll be directed to the overview page. Take a moment to read through the description and scroll down to see all the features and reviews this integration has. Understanding what the integration offers will help you make the most of it once it's set up. Once you've decided to proceed, click on the Get This App button. This will direct you to the Stripe integration page where you can begin the setup process. You may need to wait a moment as the page loads and prepares the integration interface. On this page, you'll see all the listed payment channels that Stripe can integrate with. These include options like cards, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and PayPal. Click on any of these payment methods that you wish to enable. You'll notice an Add a New Service tab. Click on it and select which type of account you wish to add based on your business needs. Next, click on Complete Setup for each payment method you want to activate, whether that's cards and digital wallets, direct debit, or a PayPal account. This step ensures that each payment channel is properly configured and ready to accept transactions through your Xero account. Once you've selected your preferred payment methods, all you have to do is add the necessary card information or account details. The system will process this information and automatically add it to your Xero account. Your Stripe account is now connected to Xero and transactions will sync seamlessly between both platforms. And there you have it, you've successfully connected Xero to your Stripe account, making your payment processing and accounting much more streamlined. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.